the square root function, the zeros of the square root function. And this is an instance where we might not have one. We're going to have to do the calculation. Let's look at where the vertex is first. The vertex is -4, -6. The b is negative, so it's going to be going this way, but the a is positive, so it's going to be whoop, up like that. We know it's going to have a 0. Let's see what it looks like. When x is -4, we should get -6, is equal to the square root of -1 times open bracket, the x plus the 4, close the bracket, close the square root bracket. So that's going to give us -4 plus 4 is 0, times -1 is still 0. The square root of 0 is 0. -6 gives us -6. It's opening that way. If I put in -3, it should give us not a number. So it's going to be taking the square root of a negative. So -3 plus 4 is 1. -1, the square root of -1, imaginary number, doesn't exist. How about -5? We end up getting -5. But -5, we have -5 at -8 gives us -4. This is what it's going to look like. Eventually, we're going to get to it's going to cross the x-axis. Here, let us try 9 more than -4 is -13, is -3. X squared is 25. That's going to give me -29. Put in -29 here. I get -1. -29, I get -1. Let's graph that. Let's go 36 more. That's -40. At -40, we get 0. Coincidentally, we're actually finding the 0. At -68, we're getting 2. Square root function looks like that, and it's crossing at -40. We could also do this algebraically. We set the y value to 0 to find our zeros. I want to get rid of the -6. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. That gives me 6 is equal to the square root of -x plus 4. I want to get rid of the square root. I'm going to do the opposite of square rooting. I'm going to square both sides. If I square the 6, I get 36. If I square the square root, it's gone. We have 36 is equal to -x plus 4. Then I want to get rid of this negative. I can just divide both sides or multiply both sides by -1. And that gives me -36 is equal to x plus 4. I want to get rid of this 4, so I subtract 4 from both sides. That gives us -40 is x, -40. And then we press answer to see if we're right.